Mmm. This coffee is too cold again this morning.
Sorry, I will fix it right now.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, everyone today.
Breakfast is on the counter, Leo. Just take it.
Mom, can I please have some warm milk today?
There is cold milk in the fridge, Mila. Just take it.
You honestly spoil these children far too much every single day.
You are completely right. They need to learn independence now.
That was before he came into our home, Leo. Just drink it cold.
Why is this living room floor so completely messy?
Sir, I am just finishing my homework here, then I have absolutely no desk upstairs.
Can you please control your children? This is completely unacceptable behavior.
Leo, how many times have I already told you about this?
Mom, you honestly never once said that to me before.
Is there more food in the kitchen?
Someone is still hungry.
I am hungry.
Yes, of course. I will get more for you right now.
Mom, my plate is almost completely empty.
Leo eats slowly, and it will honestly feel like much more. Leo, Mila, come down. Breakfast is ready.
Mom, are those actually our blueberry pancakes today? They sure are, sweetie.
Exactly like I used to make every Sunday.
Mom, you have honestly not made these in such a long time.
I know, babies. I am truly sorry.
Mom, where is he today? Is he not here with us?
He has an early meeting today. It is just us three this morning.
It honestly feels exactly like before, when it is just us.
I love you both so very much, babies. Always.
I have made a very important decision about this house today.
What kind of decision? Please tell us everything now.
I want both children's rooms completely converted into one large home office for me.
Our rooms, but then where exactly do we sleep?
The basement is perfectly suitable for children, and I will simply put 2 beds down there.
Mom, please tell me he is joking right now.
The basement is actually quite spacious, Mila. It is fine.
Mom, are you seriously agreeing with this right now today? Mom, our drawings are on those walls. Our heights are marked on the door.
We can photograph everything before they paint it all.
Mom, those walls have our whole childhood on them. Mom, how could you agree to that? How could you?
Children are honestly so incredibly dramatic these days. Unbelievable.
They will be fine. Children adjust. They always adjust eventually.
Leo, do you think she will check on us tonight? Maybe. Let's wait.
You are doing the right thing. Trust me on this.
I honestly do not know, Mila. I really do not know. Remember Mila? She would tuck the blanket twice and then kiss both our foreheads. I miss that, Leo. I miss it more than anything. Me too, Mila. I miss absolutely everything about how our life used to be before. Leo, do you think she honestly still loves us the same way she used to? Leo, I wish Grandma was here with us right now. Mom, what is happening? Where are you going with all those bags? Leo, go back upstairs, please.
We found a new house. We are leaving today.
A new house, but what about us, Mom? What about Mila and me exactly?
You will be okay here, Leo.
Mom, are you actually leaving us? She told us to call Grandma, and then she left. The worst part is, she was our mom. She was supposed to stay.